Welcome back to Broke to Smoking. This is going to be take 2 of a bunch of little video segments of me trying to learn upholstery. This one is doing the backrest. And the last one, I put a bunch of clips together to do this. And we're hoping that we can do this one that I got propped up here, and it had some repairs in the past, and make it match what we got back here. I started my layout, and I went ahead and started this because as soon as you AC something, your kids just be out here with you all the time. But it's kind of hard to concentrate when there's a bunch of mumbling going on. So I let them do what they want to do, then they go out and about their business. I'll get back to it. But anyways, I got it laid out, and as you can remember, my houndstooth inserts could be right here on these. And I'm trying to lay everything out to make sure I got my sew allowances where I need them when I get ready to sew it. A lot of these that I see with these inserts has stitches, going at an angle. They got them up here, or they're going all the way across. And I know that's because of material height, I guess you can say. But when you order it by the yard, I made sure and ordered enough so I can make it one full piece. I know I'm doing this way. I probably shouldn't even be trying it, because it's going to be a chore to come up this thing around, then back or down, as that piece is bunching up all in the way, and doing it in one continuous piece. But you know me, I'm going to go heads first time, and hopefully I don't screw this one up like I did that one over there with all them holes. And a little thing I found on the bunching up on the last video is apparently that's a known problem. So it ain't not only me that was having some issues. It's just something about that half-inch sew foam. You're going to have to take more precautions and go in there and trim that stuff out. I lived, I learned, whatever. There's my layout. Ain't sewed up yet. I just got it cut, but that's what I'm wanting. Hopefully everything matches up to this one. Time will tell. So for my next clip, I'm in something different. It's probably because it's the next day. Alright, well, I learned something. And I learned that doing this around this is a big old pain in the ass. Like, big, going to the doctor and getting a cocktail steroid shot, pain. I got it done though. I don't think I put on the last one, but I went ahead and put that sew foam on there. I don't even know if I remember if I said that or not. But I did that, sewed these panels in place, and it came out good. My center section here is 10 inches like I want it. I mean, it's bucked up a little bit. It's going to have to be stretched. And overall, it's like 7/8 shorter here. And it's a lot shorter down here because of the way these are doing. But if I keep my, I don't know what you call that, on the backrest, called kind of like the skirt thing or whatever, or going around it. As long as I can keep that to the right dimensions, and the bottom piece the right dimensions, and mark my centers and locate it out, everything should sew back to the length that I'm wanting. So as of right now, that's as far as I've got, and I can go ahead and tell you right now, I done went ahead. I done jumped the gun. I should have went and cut these out to match all that before I did all this, but it's too late now. We'll have to do it now. The joys of jumping 4 steps forward. Got them corners trimmed up, sewed up. and everything's looking pretty good. Got my back piece, because on that factory one there, you see how the back just slides over the back side just so many inches. So that's the way I'm doing this, and I'm going to run a welt down here or something to hog ring to. But that's going to be the back piece. The rest of that's going to be open just like that one was. And this is going to be, I need to look up and see what it's called, but the side piece that goes around, it connects this to that. And that's where I'm at. There's the completed cover. Got the top up there, the back, it's all sewed up. Got that attached to here, and now we're about to see if it slides over there. And I got to remember to put that piece back in. I better do that right now. Need to glue that in. I feel like Dora again. I got it done. There it is, complete and done. I ain't even touched it with a heat gun yet. Got one little wrinkle here I need to do something about. Hoping that, just let it sit here a couple of days, it'll probably be alright. Faint ones here, I'm pretty sure them will fade away. My biggest concern is the top of this up here. It's kind of, that foam is a little wore after all these years. It's still kind of poofy up here in this corner, but it kind of goes down and poofs back up on here. But it'll do for my first one. I mean, I'm learning as I go. This is the first time me doing this. So, I appreciate y'all. This is gonna wrap this video up. If y'all got any pointers, tips, and tricks, drop them below.